How do you write an essay or an academic essay? You start by analysis, get the question, try to understand it, analyze it, then you brainstorm. In this question that you've been given, what do I know for sure? What can I be able to tell without even going into research? Then you can go into research to try and understand it more and gather more materials about the topic. The next step is to plan. After now you've researched and you've gathered all the materials, you have to plan on how you're going to write. For example, if you have to write 2,000 words, you have to have an outline. For example, I want an introduction. There is the body part of it. Do I need some images? What type of sources do they want? And everything about writing before you can go into actual writing, where you write the actual paper or the actual essay and edit. Make sure you edit it perfectly. And the final thing is to proofread. Make sure you proofread everything. Make sure everything is perfect. If you've been taught to write in APA, MNH, Chicago, or anything, make sure everything is perfect before you submit.